If we want to post, then we also need to have the HTTP post data annotation. So post will say public action result. You say post, and then post will be from body. From body, it means you could send things in your request via the body, via the URL, other things. But if even if I don't put from body, it's going to use from body by default. You have from body, you have from query, from form, from header, from route, from services. You can get from all over the place. So if I don't put from body there, it will know by default that this is it is what it is. So for you to get a book, we have the concept of our repository, which is a makeshift design. And you see the ID there, we're doing it manually. When we bring the database there, we're going to be adding these things, we'll add them automatically. It will be doing it. So for now, just to find a way so that we, what we'll do in our post is okay, we'll say, first of all, the book which is coming, dot the ID, I want you to go to the book repository and get me the maximum count. So it's the max. What is the max of the ID? You take the max and add one. So go to this repository where the max, if it's 4, add 1, make it 5. At least at that juncture, we do have the ID and it will change. Then once we get that ID, then we can just add it to the repository. Then we can return a book has been created. But what we want to do in API is to have what we call haters to know where it was created. So you'll see that we'll say return created at action and name of, we're saying get. So it will come and use this functionality, which it will return where the book exists, right? So it will say the name of the get method itself, then return an ID, also return the book that I've created. I know it's confusing to get this, but once we test it out, you check it out. So we'll run this, and once we do, there will be a post there. When you click it and say test request, we're using it from body. So we'll come here and play with our body. The ID there, I am going to put 0, because if you put 1, 1 exists there, right? So since the ID already can change, so even if you don't change it, the ID will be there. So you can have the book there. Let's say, okay, post, test request. The book could be maybe Moby Dick. You put Moby Dick. Who wrote Moby Dick? It's Herman Melville, and the genre is adventure. So this is me sending from the body. So that from body is this JSON body over here. So I have that. If I click send, then it should send to my API, and you see something. It has returned for you the book, which is on this method. It is this book which we've given to this. So it will return the book. So you're wondering, what does created at action mean? This means that it will tell you where the book exists. So if you go to your headers, you'll see there's a thing called location, and it will say it's book/5. If I copy this and come to this get request, I should be able to get that Moby Dick. The same way you go to Twitter and you're able to click to go to, so it's called haters. So that's what that does. Then I'm going to stop this. Then we're going to proceed to updating.